Hi, welcome back to the Model Car Room. Yeah, and I mean welcome back. It's been over 2 weeks since I did a video. In fact, it's been over 2 weeks since I was in here to even work on a model at all. And there are a couple reasons for that. We were away for a short time, but in reality, the main reason is because I had a major aggravation of a chronic back condition that really laid me out. So I haven't been able to get in here and do any work or to make any videos. And I pretty much apologize for that, but I will tell you that I've been under treatment and things are coming back together. And I'm in here today and I'm doing some work on Woody's Rock and Roll on Wheels build. I want to get that going again because time's getting short, and planning out some new videos. I just wanted to do this real quick short video to let you know what's been going on and let you know that I've got a lot of great ideas to come back. I've got some shout outs to do and other things. I'm going to get working on that. This is just the first afternoon back, but I also want to mention how grateful I am for all of the subscribers and the viewers that have stayed loyal to me. I've had this iteration for maybe 100 days on this channel, and I've got a really nice base of subscribers and people that watch these videos, and I appreciate it very much. Things are coming together. We've got some parts here on the engine that I'm going to put on, and hopefully I'm going to show you progress on this real soon. So I will talk to you on a regular video pretty shortly. In the meantime, take care.